Hi, Natasha Vita here. Critical ideas require discussion, and in the arts and humanities, the postmodernist agenda has established firm ground. Within this trend, the rhetoric of high postmodernism has cast a shadow on a type of dystopian panic that has become contagious. This sentiment touches on the edges of human, technology, and culture. But what are the other philosophical areas that may not have the academic position that postmodernism holds, but could offer new ways of connecting the dots between human, technology, and culture? H+TV's aim is to bridge this gap by delineating what we call contested cultures, in which postmodernism resides and shines a light on transhumanism and posthumanism, what could be known as postmodernism, or alternatively, just hybridity. On April 24th to 25th in 2008, the Templeton Research Foundation had a series of lectures and workshops which brought together a diversified group of well-known scholars to discuss the meaning of progress. Catherine Hales, Don Ide, and Andrew Pickering were some of the speakers. They provided outspoken, insightful discussions at this workshop titled Workshop on Transhumanism and the Meaning of Progress. Because the workshop marked a formalized challenge to transhumanism and post-human futures, it set a precedent for what can be understood as an obvious gap in knowledge about concepts of transhumanism and the post-human and its relationship to them. This knowledge gap was further widened by Meta-Nexus Institute and its academic journal called The Global Spiral. It featured the workshop on transhumanism and the meaning of progress, including the essays of Hales, Ide, and Pickering. And it was clear that there was a misunderstanding of the scope and tenets of transhumanism and a certain degree of bias. In February of 2009, the academic journal, The Global Spiral, asked me to be a guest editor on what they called a special issue on transhumanism. My aim was to counter what had been said by Hales, Ide, and Pickering, and to invite other academics of equal scholarship to tackle the issues. This special issue was published, and it caused such a stir that Meta-Nexus Institute brought all the essays together in a book titled H+H-, Transhumanism and Its Critics. It was published in 2011. In 2013, another book, The Transhumanist Reader, Classical and Contemporary Essays on the Science, Technology, and Philosophy of Human Future, will help to further delineate these ideas. But until then, the follow-up discussion and debate delves into the issues of postmodernism, transhumanism, and posthumanism. Join us at TeleAccelerate.